you've been injured by a defective product, the first thing that you need to do, obviously, seek medical treatment. After seeking medical treatment, or while you're seeking medical treatment, have your family or loved ones or friends make sure that they secure and keep safe the product which injured you. So, for instance, if you're hurt by a tool at work and you think that that tool was defective and that's why you were hurt, you need to contact your employer or coworker and make sure that that tool is not destroyed or thrown away. Because having that tool is going to be imperative in proving your case. Second thing you need to do is you need to try to find out who or how you obtained that tool. When the tool was purchased, or the product was purchased, and who it was purchased from. The reason why that becomes important is there's time limitations on who you can sue and when you can sue someone for a defective product. And there's a possibility the person that sold you the defective product might be a defendant in your case. Also, when you purchase the product is relevant. Example, the tire I buy and put on my car today is a lot better than the tires that my parents used to buy and put on their car. As we go along, products get better. Thank God. They get safer. So when the product was manufactured is going to be how it's judged whether it was defective or not. For instance, if a tool or a product's manufactured today and then gets better in 5 years and they have 3 different revisions to it, and you get hurt 10 years later, just because you're using an old tool doesn't necessarily mean that you had a defective product. And that at the time it was manufactured, it was what we call state of the art. It was as good as they knew how to make it at that time. And so for that reason, identifying when the tool was actually produced and when it was distributed, meaning sold to you, becomes imperative in improving and pursuing your product's liability case.